Karen Mason, Executive Director. This is a great project. So this is, we actually have 3 projects underway right now, and this one is Ivana's home. It's our founder's build. So it's celebrating the woman that really helped start our affiliate nearly almost 40 years ago, Olivia Lamott. And so we're building this to honor her work in our community. And so this is going to be a beautiful home when it's finished this summer, and we're very excited about it. An affordable housing developer, Habitat, has been using home funds, gosh, since 2008. And so those funds allow us to kind of leverage community support and funding to build affordable housing in our community. And we're at nearly 300 homes so far. So we're very proud of that. And the home funds and our partnership with the city and other housing entities in the community really help us to do a great deal of home ownership opportunities for low to moderate income families that just wouldn't qualify for conventional financing.
I am very excited, to be a house owner, future house owner, and can't wait to live here. I think I had 2 years, waiting for this moment, and I'm working hard, with them to get this house.
Oh, we love working with them. We have a long history, like I said, since 2008 of working with the city, and so we have a very strong partnership, and we're really, really grateful for their support over the years.